Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making this beautiful play suit, and we'll be starting by folding our fabric into two and taking the measurement of the length of our play suit, which mine I'm making use of 43. So you can work with what you have or the measurements of your client. Okay, then after marking your length, you go ahead to mark out this 4 inches. Okay, mark it out, this will be our crotch for that our play suit. Then go ahead to mark out your starting point. Now let's head to fixing our bust point measurement, our waist and our hip line, which mine is 10. Then from the shoulder is 27. Okay, so when you're done doing that, use your ruler to trace out all those marks. You use your ruler to trace it out. This will guide you while fixing the circumference of your measurement. Okay, now let's head to our shoulder. You fixing your shoulder, which mine is 7. Then go by 1 inch for your shoulder slope. Then after that, you mark your armhole, which mine is 7. Okay, use your ruler to control those lines, just the way I'm doing here. Now when you're done doing that, you find the midpoint of that your armhole, which mine is 3.5, and you mark it. Then use your ruler to connect from there to give you a good armhole shape. When you're done doing that, you mark out your neckline, which I'm using 4x5. You can use 5x5, you can use 6x5 or 4x6. It depends how you want it to be wide. So this is what I'm using, and I'm going to trace it out with my curve rule, just like this. Then I connect my armhole to the line. Now go in by 1 inch from that your shoulder, from that your armhole line. Go in by 1 inch. Okay, you can go in 1.5, 2 inches, just depend how you want it to be wide. So this is how I want it to be, and I will connect from my armhole down to that line, that 1 inch I mark out. Okay, this is it. Yes, you connect it. So we will head to fixing the circumference of our bust plus 1 inch sewing allowance plus 2 inches ease allowance, making it 3 inches. Okay, so head again to your waist, put in your waist circumference, 1 inch sewing allowance, 2 inch ease allowance. Head to your hip line again, measure your hip circumference, 1 inch sewing allowance, 2 inch for the ease. Okay, this hip measurement, you take it to the downside of the length. Okay, you fix this same hip measurement to the length of your play suit. Then you trace out your measurements, and that is it so far. Okay, now let's head to that 4 inches that will mark out. You are going to start from your hip line, you come down by 4 inches. From that 4 inches, you extend it to 3 inches, just this way. But this depends on the size of your client. Okay, so mark down from your hip measurement 4 inches. Then from that hip measurement again, extend it by 3 inches, and you use your curve ruler to curve it out just like this. Okay, this will serve as our crotch. Okay, it will serve as our crotch. Yeah, I've marked it out this way. Now again, from that same 4 inches, go down again by 3 inches. Still use your curve ruler to trace it out like this. You see what I've done there? Just like a V curve. Okay, just like a V curve. This will serve as our crotch. Yeah, go down by 4, go extend it by 3, give it a curve. From that same 4, come down again by 3, give it a curve to connect that extended 3. That's it. Then you cut out what you've marked. Now this is it. Okay, this is what you've marked out. Now use this same front measurement to cut out your back measurement. All you'll be adding is your crotch allowance for the back, then your zip allowance. Other things still remain the same. Okay, I'll measure for my crotch allowance. I'll add in 2 inches. Then for my zipper allowance, I'll be fixing 1 inches. Okay, yes, 1 inches. That is it, because I've already added sewing allowance at the front side. While measuring the front side, I've added sewing allowance. So for this neckline, I'm still going to maintain the front neckline to the back neckline. Okay, the front and back neckline will be the same thing. That's just it, and I will give it a cut. I will cut out what I've measured, just like this. Yeah, we are done cutting. This is it. Now for our pocket, you go down from your waist measurement, you go down by 1 inch. Then from that 1 inch, you go down again by 7 inches. Then you notch it out. Yeah, this is it. And we are done for our measurements. Let's go ahead to cut out our pockets, which I'll be using 9 inches for the length, and for the width I'll be using 7. Still use the same one to cut out another one for the front and back pockets. And give it a nice pocket shape. Okay, yes. Now let's head to our belt. We'll be using 56 for the length, and for the width is 2 inches. Okay, yes, let's head to stitch in what we've cut so far. From the front side, you hold the front side. For the back side, you fix in the zip where you want the zip to stop. Then the remaining one, you hold it with a stitch. Let's do that. Now we are done holding the front side, the back side holding it, and securing the zip side with our pin. So let's go to the neck side. For the neck side, we are turning the neck side with this bias. Okay, turn the neck side with this bias, turn the armhole with the same bias. Okay, you can cut a facing for it. All right, now we are done with it. This is what we've done. We are done turning everything, the neck, the armhole. All right, yes. For the back side, we are done turning the neck, the armhole. Then we go ahead to fix the zip. Yes, the zip, I'll fix it already here. Yeah, I'll fix the zip already. Okay, this is what we've done so far. Now let's go and fix the pocket. For the pocket, the right side facing the right side, you hold it from that 7 inch to 7 inch. That's it. Do the same thing for the both side of the pockets, for the front side and for the back side. Just this way I'm doing it. Okay, yes, this is it. Do it for the front and for the back. Let's head to our machine to give it a stitch. Then for the belt, you're going to fold this way, and make a stitch and turn it out. Yes, this is what we've done. We are done fixing the pocket this way. Done fixing the pocket this way. Then for our belt, we are done holding it, and we are using a length of 56 for our belt. Yes, for our belt. and unfold by 2 inches. Okay, this is it. You can make yours shorter or longer than this. All right, so let's head to fix in our belt to our play suit, and we're doing that before the pocket. To fix our belt, you fix it before the pocket, just this way. Okay, before the pocket at the front side, just this way, before the pocket at the front side. Let's head to our machine to give it a stitch to secure it before we go ahead to do the remaining stitches. Okay, now let's hold the sides this way. Okay, you can make a stitch to hold the side, and while doing that, please make sure you push your belt inside while sewing the sides. Okay, just watch the way my hand is going. That's how you're going to stitch it. Then you hold the shoulder side. All right, yeah, we are done doing that, and this is the outcome. Okay, we are done holding the shoulder, done fixing the belt, then fixing stitching on our pockets, so we are done doing that, and we head our machine to hold this crotch side this way. Okay, yeah, this is it. We are done holding the crotch. Our belt is well fixed, our pocket is well fixed, our shoulder, we've stitched it together, our zip, everything is intact. Okay, so beautiful. Please, my lovely people, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, so anytime we upload any new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. And please don't forget to share for your loved ones to benefit from this tutorial. Comment and hit the like button. See you all in my next video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.